In this video, we'll show you how to add YouTube videos to a specific Shopify product detail page. To achieve this, we'll use an app called Video Reel, which you can find in the Shopify App Store or through the link in the description of this video. After installing the app, click the Add Gallery button to create your first YouTube gallery. Once you've entered a name, you'll be redirected to the Gallery Editor page, where you can add YouTube content by clicking Add YouTube Content and entering a specific YouTube video URL, playlist, or channel. In this example, we'll use a playlist to speed things up. After adjusting the gallery's appearance and settings, click the Embed button. You will then be redirected to the Embed view, where you can copy the ID of the gallery we just created using the Copy ID button. Next, add the Video Reel app block to the product template by clicking the Add Block to Product Template button. You will be redirected to the template, where the app block will already be added. Save the page and navigate back to the app. Click on Products in the Shopify admin and open the product where you want the YouTube videos to appear. Scroll down to the Product Meta field section and paste the gallery ID into the Video Reel Gallery ID field. Save the product, then click the Preview button to make sure the YouTube gallery appears on the product page. As you can see, the videos were successfully added to the product detail page according to the gallery settings. As a final optional step, we'll link a product to one of the videos.